Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to install Avogadro software. Avogadro is a molecular editor and visualizing software. By using this software we can draw variety of molecular structures including inorganic, organic, small and large crystals, biomolecules, nanomaterials including carbon nanotubes, quantum dots. This is open source software and free to use. Please watch this video till end. I am going to type Avogadro software. This is the site for downloading. This is the link for download. When you just click on the download, it will start automatically. Your download started here. It will take some time. This site is basically for Avogadro, but I will not use this download software. We will use Orca extended version of Avogadro. So for Orca platform we need to type Orca forum and open this site. For this site you have to create your register account. So I am already registered. So first you need to log in the website. After logging in the website, you just click on the download link and just look in the bottom Avogadro Orca enhanced version. You will have now 3 different options for different type of platform. We will use Windows beta version. So click on this Windows beta version. And click on download link. Your download started and wait for the downloading. Now our file is downloaded. So I am going to open this file. Now I will run this file. Agree, next, and install. It will install within seconds and it is now completed. Close this box. Now open C drive. You will find a folder named with Avogadro. Open this folder. Open again this folder. In bin file you will find the Avogadro exe file. Right click on this file, then send to desktop. It will create the desktop icon for this software. Now double click on this. It is now ready to use. In the next video we will learn how to draw molecular structure. So please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.